Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Dave Triplet with earnsomebitcoin.com. Just wanted to come and give you guys some insight on what we see happening with Bitcoin, what's going on with Bitcoin, and where we see these cryptocurrencies going from here. I'm just going to dive right into it. You're going to hear a little bit of noise in the background. Phone's going off. Facebook's going off. Don't mind it. So what we're seeing now is a lot of people are kind of upset. They're looking at the Blockfolio accounts or portfolio, and they're seeing red. They're seeing everything going down. But there's some good news ahead. Why is Bitcoin doing this? There's a number of reasons. For one, it has to. It has to finish its cycles that it starts. Well, at least it doesn't have to. We like to see them finish their cycles. And there's some stuff going on with China with the largest migration of people. A lot of the Bitcoin that is owned, I think it's like 50% of the Bitcoin that is owned is over in China. And right now there's a lot of people that may be selling off for the holidays, buying gifts, and with the price dipping even low, there's probably even some more people that are exiting, trying not to lose what they've already gained with Bitcoin. But fear not, it's starting to come back up. I actually predicted for this to go down a couple weeks ago, all the way down to $9,000 and as low as $7,900. I may have been off just a little bit. It looks like, and I'm gonna try to stop saying guys. I really hate that I say it so much, but it is a habit. So there I go again. So it actually went all the way down to about $9,200. So I was off by a couple $100. If it actually were to go down to 9,000, then of course I would have been spot on. But this is good enough. We trade in ranges. So right now this thing has rebounded. Now it doesn't mean it's going to start heading all the way up. It has to break a level of support, which I am gauging is, now where is it? Right about here. That's the support level resistance level that it has to break. It was around 10,700. I was calling it at 10,500. Looking at this, I may have been a little bit off. And right now it's headed right towards that 10,500. So if it breaks above that and stays above it for consistent candles and doesn't wick like this, then we can see a cross of the EMAs and a continue trade on upside. So time to buy is probably now. You won't be hurt even if you buy now and it drops all the way down to 8,000. Don't worry, you got it good enough. It should head back up, and that's when you're holding on to it. 8,008. Let's see, what was it? $8,088 is exactly where I had placed a buy limit. It may not get that low, but to be able to call this trade up here at 10,000, I told people last week. I think it was on the 12th, which was it was way back here. I told them that it was going to reach down below 10,000. Sure enough, it did. If you want proof of me doing that, I have time-stamped messages, but that's neither here nor there. But what's cool, what's tripped out is, and what I want you guys to understand is, it's time to buy not only Bitcoin but other coins too. If you look at this right here, look at this structure right here. I'm gonna show you. I guarantee you, Ripple doing about the same thing, smaller scale, same thing. Etherium, exact same thing, same structure and everything. And Litecoin, same exact structure. So if Bitcoin is starting to head up, these are too. So these are some coins that you're going to want to grab, and probably anything and everything that you already own. If you own cryptos, when you get down to your buy limit or where you want to start buying your Bitcoin, start buying the other coins also, because that's going to make a tremendous difference to your portfolio, having more of these cheaper coins that are going to possibly double from where they are right now fairly quickly. Now, like I said, as long as we don't get a lot of this wicking here, it should not continue down further. If you get a double bottom right here, if it does not break that low point and continues up, then that's another great sign that we should be done with this downtrend. And I'll show you where I calculated for this to go originally. This was the high, this was the retracement, and this was our bounce right here is where I thought it would go. It came down close, but we are supposed to trade in ranges where that range could have been from here to here. All right. And which I had calculated 7,900, so right about there. All right. So if Bitcoin does come down further, I only expect it to come down to that line and bounce in this range. So anywhere from, I think I have some on my other account, I have the buy limits at 8,500, and I had one right at $8,088 right about there. So get ready to hit that buy button if you haven't already. If you do now, you're still in good shape. You won't be losing a ton, but if you want to get the most optimal position, a perfect trade, the golden zone, as my sensei taught me, this is where you want to be getting in at. And it would be great if you chimed in on this video somewhere and said, good job, or Dave, you're stupid, this is not how you want to show people. But if you guys are interested in a free Forex course, I would let you get his Forex course, and you guys can learn how to do this. Also, we're doing a team build to help people learn how to trade the cryptocurrencies, as far as buying them, when to sell them, when to buy them back, and essentially gain more Bitcoin by doing that. The guy has been very accurate with his trades as far as when to sell and when to buy back. And sure, with that, it's pretty safe, because even though if he tells you to buy back and it continues down like it did here, this long leg right here, you still are holding on to your Bitcoin. You're not really losing. You're just floating with the market. All right, so it's a great way to learn how to trade these cryptos. Get with me. Like I said, we're doing a team build with it where you can actually get paid by the course and in Bitcoin, and you can use that Bitcoin to trade. You can use that Bitcoin to buy other cryptocurrencies, or you can just cash out and enjoy your money. So please get with me. Check my site, which is coming up soon. We got it under maintenance right now. earnsomebitcoin.com, and just look out for my future videos. All right, have a great day.